In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Zaggle card on Amazon. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your gift card value is safely added to your Amazon balance. First, open your browser and go to Amazon.com. If you normally shop on a different Amazon country site, switch to the one where your gift card is valid before you continue. Sign into your Amazon account so the funds can be applied directly to you. If you have multiple profiles, use the one you plan to shop with. Now move your cursor to the top right of the page and hover over the Accounts and Lists dropdown. From there, click Account. This opens your main account dashboard, which is where Amazon keeps all your settings, orders, and payment options in one place. On the account page, look for the gift cards section and select it. This is your hub for viewing your balance, tracking activity, and redeeming new codes. If you've redeemed gift cards before, you'll see your current balance displayed here. Next, click Redeem a Gift Card. This will bring up the field where you enter your claim code. Have your Zaggle card handy. If your Zaggle program provides an Amazon gift card code, you'll find the claim code in the email or on the physical card, sometimes under a scratch-off panel. Avoid sharing this code with anyone because once it's redeemed, it's tied to your account and can't be moved. Carefully type the claim code into the box. Don't worry about hyphens, Amazon ignores them, but do double check characters that can look similar, like 0 and the letter O. If you're copying and pasting from an email, make sure you don't include any extra spaces. When you're ready, click Apply to your balance. Amazon will confirm that the code is valid and instantly add the amount to your gift card balance. You'll see the updated total on the screen, and you can click to view your balance activity for confirmation. If you run into an error, double check the code and make sure you're on the correct Amazon regional site. Codes are region-specific and can't be redeemed across different countries. If the site says the code has already been redeemed, review your balance activity or contact support with your redemption date. And remember, never share your claim code in support chats or with anyone else. That's it. Your Zaggle value is now in your Amazon balance and will automatically apply to eligible purchases at checkout. Happy shopping, and thanks for watching.